Welcome to Arduino series by Dreadnought Robotics.
First I'll place the Arduino. Now I'll tell you about the slide switch. Okay, so in slide switch there are three terminals. Left one, terminal 1, common, and terminal 2. So terminal 1 you put it to either ground or else plus 5 volts, which is your digital high. And your other side you put the other pin. Like if here you're putting ground, here you'll put what we call 5 volts. If here you're putting ground, here you'll put 5 volts. And in between pin you will use it take an input at this any of the digital pins. So here I'll connect this to ground, this to pin 11, and this to plus 5 volts. Okay, so when simulation will be starting, your first whichever side your switch is placed, the common pin will get the same value. So if over here it is ground, right? So what we call 11 pin will get a digital low. If get 5, which is your digital high. So now I'll start code. So here our pin 11 is our input. Here pin 11 is our input, and here I'll even teach you about serial communication. So here there'll be a serial monitor. Okay, so the Arduino uses serial communication to to give out an output from the serial monitor. So first we will write the syntax serial.begin 9600. So serial.begin 9600, where 9600 is baud rate. So what we'll do, we'll write a program where it will print in the serial monitor your name if it's at 0, and it will print your your registration number if it's at 1. So first we'll take a variable where we take an input from this pin 11. So we use digital read, sorry, not dot, digital capital R read, and 11. Then we write an if condition. If V is equal to high, then we use serial dot to print anything in the serial monitor. You write your syntax serial dot print or print ln your whatever you want to display. So I'll type name. If it's not high, it will be low, right? So we can just use an else condition, serial dot println your registration number. Understood? And we give it a delay of around 500 milliseconds, half a second. Okay. So here right now it's printing your my registration number. If I switch if I click the switch, it will print rhetoric. Understood? This is how serial communication works.